kind of go do a little quick cruise tonight, show you guys what it is on a snowfall in Anchorage, and if we see anyone stuck, we'll go ahead and help them out if we can, safely. Sometimes folks are out here on the small roads. They might be in their front wheel drive vehicle only, and they might need a little push. Free of charge, no fees, no charge, nothing like that. It's a Saturday, so the city isn't working today. The city's not plowing the roads. They probably won't plow the roads till maybe tomorrow or Monday. Usually if they get a heavy snowfall like this, they'll work on the weekend, but this was like last minute. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we got tonight. We're gonna head down to let's head down to the east side, Mountain View. Let's go check out Mountain View, man. The roads on Mountain View is usually pretty nasty during these times. Highways are bumping. This guy in front of us, this is a front wheel drive vehicle only. Full-time four-wheel drive. We got a winch, we got a tow strap, we got a kinetic strap. So if anyone's stuck, we should be able to get them out. Or if I get stuck, I should be able to get myself out. Speak too early, new. This is the highway here, Glen Highway. It is nasty out today. Slow, guys. Slow is your friend. So right now we're on the right lane, the farthest lane, the slowest lane, and the lady in the front of me, she's in the middle lane, and then there's the fast lane all the way on the left that isn't fully cleared out yet. Nobody's in that lane. Been following the weather in Anchorage here. Last 2 weeks it's been all warm, windy. The roads got all dried up. Felt like springtime. And then this is the last snowfall. Hopefully the last snowfall. We had one big snowfall, and then oh, she missed her turn, I think. We had one big snowfall, and then we went into the hot season. And then all of a sudden we came back with this big old snow dump. Over a foot of snow. Great time to be a plow guy. If you have a plow truck right now, you can make a lot of money, man. 30-40 bucks per driveway for a single driveway, maybe 50-60 bucks for a 2-car driveway. Knock that out in 15 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Adds up quick. Okay, so this is the east side right here, east side Mountain View. You guys all know this. You guys watch my videos. If you guys aren't, if you guys are new, this is the east side Anchorage. Some people call this, some people might say that this neighborhood here is kind of sketchy. And I would definitely agree with that. It can get sketchy at nighttime, but no worries. We're locals. We know the drill. They know the drill. They see us. Stay strapped or get clapped. I also want to update you guys. About 2 weeks ago, I made a video about my neighbor's car getting stolen, the Tundra. And we do have an update. That vehicle has been found. I think it was found about 3-4 days ago. I'm not sure who found it, but it has been recovered. spoke to my neighbors and asked them how the condition is, but I also haven't seen the vehicle in their driveway, so maybe they took it to a shop or something. I recall seeing a tow truck come by one day and taking a Tundra, so I think that might have been it. Maybe they took it to a shop or something. So you can see here, these are the residential roads, and it's pretty nasty, man. These residential road, if they don't plow it, it can get really tight, really crowded soon. I'm gonna take my keys off so they're not jingling around. Now the road looks like it's all flat and all, but the road is just flat from people driving up and down the roads. There's some of the alleyways, so we'll go check out some alleyways here in a bit. But oh, the alleyways are nasty, man. No need to go off-roading. I can just come to Mountain View and just off-road in the alleyways. You guys see right here, this whole sidewalk has been covered up with snow, man. It's become basically like a 1.5 lane road. If somebody was to come down this road here, we would have to merge for each other one at a time. It's a single lane now. So much snow. Lots of snow, and then you gotta look at the cars that's parked on the sidewalk like right here. They're taking up some room too. Lots of snow tonight. Not a lot of traffic though. Looks like everybody's just home tonight. Like I said, it's a Saturday night, 8 p.m. right now, 8:13. Look at this car. There's a car right in front of the middle of the road. I'm not sure if he's broken down or just parked. Oh, that car is just parked on the road. He's parked on a driveway, but he's basically sticking out in the road. That's crazy. See this car here? Oh yeah, this car is stuck. See, this car here is stuck. They can't go up or down. Oh man, I wish I can find the owner, pull him out. Yeah, so that owner, that vehicle is stuck on the right at the sidewalk curb, and she can't go up or back up. So if you're stuck like that and you don't have any help, one thing you can do is try to find some gravel, traction sand, and just throw down some traction sand. So you can see here it's pretty nasty. That happens a lot with these small vehicles. That small vehicle there is just a front wheel drive vehicle. Probably don't have any snow tire or anything like that, but even with snow tires, that's not going to help you with all this. Oh, this one's stuck here too. See, this one's stuck. Are you stuck?
Yeah.
You want me to give you a pull?
Thank you.
Do you have a tow point in the front or back? Let me take a look. Well, there has to be something to tow off of. Yeah. Yeah.
Like I said, no, you're just looking for a tall spot so you can pull it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
You said you gotta have like a hook or something.
Yeah, like something that you can grab onto.
All right, so this van here is stuck. Oh man, this one doesn't have a tow strap or anything. Oh man, he's bottom out. Let's see here. Usually they have a tow strap or a tow point.
Sorry about that, bro.
Oh, don't worry. Let's see here.
Don't seem like anything. Should be something like that.
Yeah.
Watch out.
No, you're good. We can try on. Let's see. You have like a little hook right here. Or not a hook, but
yeah, something to pull it. Yeah, I mean, I know I shouldn't pull it up, but if I pulled up there.
Yeah. We'll use a soft shackle. We'll use a soft shackle and give him the boba strap. All right, let's do this. We got our first victim. Where's my boba strap? All right. And pull it behind you. That momentum, man. Once you stop, you're like stuck.
Yeah.
Let's do this. I see a little point right here.
Yeah.
We might be able to get it. Yeah. You just need a little quick tug. Nothing hard or anything.
A little quick tug back.
Yep.
So I can just go forward.
All right. So hop in your car and stay in neutral. Yeah. There we go. You think you're good? Okay, hold on, back it up, back it up. Okay, stop.
Yeah, I see you.
I see, all right, let me unhook you.
Yeah.
And then just like go all the way to the right so you don't get to that same spot. There you go, you're good.
Watch out.
You good, man.
Watch out.
Woo! All right. He's free. There we go. That heavy van just needed a quick tug. Okay, so we got our first guy, our first vehicle that's stuck. He's still in the middle of the street, probably doing his other business, but we'll go around here. So it's a one-lane road right now, so it's pretty tight. That's what I like to do, man. Just help out people on these snowstorm days. And say everybody just need a quick tug. All right, let's go check it out. What else we got in Mountain View? Alleyways are nasty as heck. There's a plow truck right here working some of the roads. A lot of these plow truck, they're just a small plow truck doing driveways and stuff. They're not doing the main roads or anything. Doing driveways, apartment ways, driveways and stuff. Yeah, that's a small Subaru right here. Lots of snow, man. There's another plow truck on the right side. This plow truck we just passed, he has the plow in the front and a back plow. That's really nice. The back plows are always good. You can sweep up your tail. We got some homies in the road. Jeez, make some room, homies. These guys here, look at that, just in the middle of the road. Jeez. This guy's on a bike. So much snow today. The last snowfall was about this size. I think last snowfall was 2 weeks ago. I think we got about a foot of snow or so too. The snow that we got right now is really it's not super soft. It's really mushy. This snow is like the perfect snow for making snowball, making a snowman. So when you shovel it with your shovel, It's super heavy and just very dense. Makes it really not fun to shovel, but it's the perfect snow for making snowmans and just snowball fighting. Alright, so Mountain View's pretty quiet tonight. Not that much people out. Everybody's home, which is good. You know, if you ain't got nowhere to go, stay home. Especially when the road's nasty. Let the city clear it up a little bit. And usually around this nighttime, around this late night, this is where all the plow trucks come out. You know, all the plow trucks, they'll start plowing like residentials, or they'll start plowing like business and stuff. Usually they work at nighttime. That's how plow trucks do it. Because if they were plowing during the afternoon, by the time it's evening, the same spot that they've been plowing probably has like another fresh 6 inches of snow. Damn. So this neighborhood is mixed with houses, duplex, residential, just a little bit about everything. MTV. I would definitely not park my vehicle on the side street right now. You have the risk of getting hit and just being in the way of big machines when they're plowing the roads. Let's make our way to South Mountain View. Oh, there's a Land Cruiser. Holy smoke, let me check that Land Cruiser out. Check out this Land Cruiser at the freaking laundromat. It's triple lock. Triple lock Land Cruiser, super dope. The owner's probably inside. I don't want to go mess with his disturbance. I left my business card there. I don't need another Land Cruiser. I have 2 Land Cruiser new. Why the hell do you need another one? Just for fun. It's nice too. It looks like a well taken care of Land Cruiser. Sweet. I have never seen this one yet. So first time seeing this one. We got the Clark Middle School on the right hand side in front of us, and then we have the Red Apple Market on the left hand side, along with the bingo. Oh, I think I see the owner. I think I see the owner coming out for the Land Cruiser. A lady, is it a lady? It's always these ladies, old ladies, that have these triple lock Land Cruiser. I'm so jealous. It's a newer one too, so it's a 95 or it's a 93 or something. I think it's a 95 at least. Is it her? Is it her Land Cruiser? No, not hers. Nope, not the lady. Somebody else. That Land Cruiser, it's like a dark blue, so if you don't know Land Cruiser, you would have missed it. But you have an eye for Land Cruiser, you just see them whenever you noticed it. If I was to see like a small, like if I see like a small window, or just like the back window or a back tail light or anything small, like a sneak peek of a Land Cruiser, I'll know right away if it's an 80 series. I remember when I was looking for an 80 series, I was driving and then all of a sudden I passed these trees and I saw this neighborhood that had like a boom, like it was like a quick 2-second glimpse of a window, and I'm like, that's a Land Cruiser. And I went into the neighborhood, I'm like, yep, found one Land Cruiser, but that guy didn't want to sell it, and it was like a 92, not the desirable ones. Careful, lady, don't slip. Her hands are full of ghost ray. Oh, there's another car right here. I think he's stuck too. This one here's. are stuck, or like I said earlier, they're just two-wheel drives or front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive vehicles. Sometimes you'll see a few trucks that are stuck, but those usually are they're usually like two-wheel drive trucks only. So people at the Holiday gas station here, Mountain View Holiday. So this neighborhood that we're going to, this street's called McCary. Some people call this neighborhood South Mountain View, but you know, I just call it South Mountain View because I usually that's what I grew up knowing it as. Like we just left Mountain View, and then this is South Mountain View, and usually you know it because you cross this bridge here. This is the Glen Highway. The Glen Highway is right under us, so this side of the neighborhood is called South Mountain View, and then that other side that we just left is just called Mountain View. There's a big apartment complex on the left-hand side. I found a really nice red Honda Accord CB7. Found it the other day. I didn't left my note or anything like that because I don't need it no more, but it's a nice one. What's up, homie? Dudes in flip-flop. Yep, lots of snow, man. You can see all the cars on the sidewalks here. They're all covered up in snow. Yep, there's the CB7 still under that carport right there. It's pretty quiet tonight, man. All these neighborhoods are quiet. I have to go to some of the main roads. I don't think there's... Yeah, usually the main roads, you'll see people get stuck too. Sometimes people take a corner too fast and they get stuck on the curb. Back on the main roads now. Let's go check if there's anything going on the main roads. The main road's pretty clear. Still slick out here. for today in downtown, they did have Fur Ronde, and that must have been a good turnout because all the snow must definitely help 4th Avenue. Our last video last week, they had to haul the snow in, so this snow here is probably good for the activities and such. I didn't go to it, was busy busy watching my little boy. Back on the main roads. Okay, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Just a little quick night cruise on a snowy day here. It's Tacoma. Just give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like on a snow day. And like I said, we still got lots of snow coming in right now. Not a big flakes, but definitely still got some snow coming in. 33 degrees right now. And the rest of the week we're going to be seeing about 33 or 30 degrees and up. We even got a couple days coming up where we're going to have go back to 40 degrees, but I'm hoping that all the snow will be melted soon here next week. Hope you guys are having a good one. I'll catch you guys on our next video. Talk to you guys then.